With businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, and other organizations entering into new phases of reopening, enhanced disinfection should be a priority. Keeping staff and visitors safe while providing peace of mind will be vital to ensure a smooth transition. Part of a smart disinfection plan should include necessary PPE, scheduled disinfections, and proper disinfectants. Traditional liquid disinfectant is effective, but dry times can make it difficult to use as often as needed. Instead, some facilities are turning to more innovative disinfections like UV light. Larson Electronics carries a wide variety of UV disinfecting devices, including our popular industrial handheld UV disinfection wand. This UV wand kills up to 99% of bacteria, viruses, mold, and other pathogens on surfaces such as desks, countertops, workstations, machines, tables, chairs, door handles, elevator buttons, and more. This UV disinfection wand offers a full 360 degrees of coverage, which makes this device fast and effective. The full coverage also makes this an ideal solution to disinfecting hard-to-reach places. We have these units in stock and ready to ship immediately. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.